Hey guys, Oscar from Go Primate here, and in this video I'm going to do my favorite forearm exercise, wrist rollers. The wrist roller is probably one of the most old school forearm exercises you can find out there. All you need is one simple equipment, so just a stick like I have here. I'm using a wooden stick where I drill the hole in the middle, put the rope through the hole, and then just attach a knot in the middle of the stick. And the other end I just tie the knot around a kettlebell. I would also recommend that you do this on an elevated surface. That way your repetitions can last for a little bit longer, which will make it just a little bit more effective for you. I'm using here two wooden boxes that I made myself, but you can use anything you can find that just elevates you from the ground a little bit. So basically it's a very simple and basic exercise. All you're going to be doing is simply rolling the weight up as high as you can, and once you reach the top with the weight, you simply lower the weight on the ground, unfold the rope and start again. So that's one repetition. I noticed that around 3 to 4 repetitions of this is enough to really feel your forearms burning. I'm using here a 10 kilo kettlebell, but again you can use whichever weight you want. I would say this is one of the best exercises to actually grow your forearms, not necessarily build the most grip strength, but to precisely grow the size of your forearms. I would say this is one of the best exercises to do that. And that's all I'll share with you this time, guys. Make sure you like the video if you like the video, it's highly appreciated, and subscribe to the channel for more training tips on how to get fit from home or outdoors. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.